You can clone the entire GHL account under 60 seconds, and most of the agency owners are building it from scratch. There is a powerful feature called Snapshot in GoHighLevel. If you are building something for one sub account, or if you are an agency owner, you want to start your AI agency, you don't want to set up every account from scratch. You can take a snapshot of one niche and then implement it GoHighLevel just from 3 clicks. So once you build anything, you can give it to the clients and you can also sell it on a market. So in this video, I will be telling you how exactly you can take the entire account, and this can also help from migration from one agency account to another agency account. But you need to be admin of that agency. So let's try this. So first of all, you need to go to first your agency. Do not go to any sub account, just go to the agency account here, and you need to select which account. So you need to create a snapshot. I want to create the land air main account snapshot where I want to fetch all the automations, calendar, whatever I have built. So what we need to do is we need to go to this account snapshot, create new snapshot, and let it be land air. In your case, plumbing, marketing agency, podcast, whatever you have built, you can name it. And which account I need to clone. So it's just again a cloning. I need to do the main account next. Now it will start processing all the automations, all the website, everything, whatever you have built on. Okay, so it has 0 ad campaigns, meta, ad studio. It has 1 blog. Let's take. And there is an option like we can take all the 70 assets just from this whatever we have built. But let me show you what exactly you can get it cloned. Ad campaigns, calendars, conversational AI, custom fields which you have built it for a sub account, custom values, dashboard, email forms, knowledge base if you have courses, product, review section, tag, survey, webinar, everything. And here is the best part. Once you build some webinar funnel for someone, you can always give them. If you build some landscaping funnel for someone, you can always give it to your another sub account, people who are coming into your SaaS. And now I will go and create it. So snapshot creation successfully done. So right now it is going on, and then we get a unique link of a snapshot. We can always sell it at a marketplace. So GoHighLevel is a marketplace where we can sell it, or you can sell it on ads, or you can give it to your sub account as a freebie, or you can send someone, hey, this is in the trial account, you can get all those features pre-built. It saves lots of the time. And now once it gets refreshed, now once your snapshot is ready, what you need to do is scroll to the right and you will see these 3 dots. From this, share snapshot, and here there is an IP. Like if you want to protect your assets, you can protect your assets from here if you enable it, and I will do get link. This is a permanent link of a snapshot. How to sell this snapshot? Lots of you are worried like if you build something, it will get copied, and the people get this chance to buy it from you, and then they will start selling you. So here there is an IP protection from GoHighLevel. If you click on how to sell a snapshot, and from 3 dots you can always sell it on a marketplace, it will give you an IP protection by default. But now the second part is how to load a snapshot into a sub account. So here there is an option to load it into another sub account if you want. So like if I choose over here and I want to create a sub account and load this snapshot, I can do that. But how to do it from one agency to another agency? The second part will be, let me open up a different agency. So this is a different agency where we have only one account. Now open up, log in your GoHighLevel in this browser of that agency. Paste the snapshot. Make sure that you have login it on your left panel. Now it will ask you the option to import now. And then yes, I will import. Now you have all the assets loaded into this account. So now this snapshot is being loaded into another agency. The older one was C. Let me share you. So we have 3 sub account over here, and now if I go over here, we have only 1 sub account. So what I will be doing is I will be loading this snapshot into a separate sub account, and for this let me choose some random values for now just to show you how to load. Here you need to always give one email ID, my on sub account on EST, have this sub account, and let's see. Let's go to that sub account on the name of New Jersey. You see all the assets are already there. So all the automations, all sites. And if we go back to the account from which we have taken it, and let's compare. Ambassador campaign automations, ambassador automation, everything is gifted. So that's the way you can load it, and that's how. And now There is one more feature left which is quite important. Is I go to this agency account and account snapshot. You have one snapshot, and here you will always see the imported snap. So this account only exported, so there is no imported snapshot. But if I go to new account, I can see over here there is, and so from these features you can always have one niche and in which you can create your AI agency, and then you can start selling the same stuff to everyone. You can have your custom fees, custom values into it. And if you want to get the free stuff of GoHighLevel, there is a school community link below. You can go and join and get lots of resources from us. And there is a 30 days trial plus 10,000 plus bonuses from my end to help you out in building your GoHighLevel. Do subscribe now.